we doing today?
I built this. Look
I'm
what I
unpacking the wardrobe
Look what
and
I built.
boxing what I want to keep
Excuse
and what
me,
we're going
look
to
what I
take in the
built.
van.
Look what
Oh my
I built.
god.
Look what I built. A rocket. It's a bike. Goes on land.
Very good. Only a little bit of Beck's clothes.
Excuse me, it can even dust the chairs. By pushing the
Hey, I've been culling. That's cold. Cold.
Cold, cold. Considering that's mine. Day of packing.
Oh my god, it's all happening. We're packing. We've just had the real estate through. Should be out by the 8th of December. And it is November the 6th today.
Alright, today we're going to get rid of the table, chairs, music instruments.
All the stuff.
But on a side note, it's looking good out there. Beck oiled all the deck yesterday and we got rid of some more clutter. Got the frosted glass in the front door. Now it's all coming along. Now we just got to wait for the painter to do the front of the house.
Okay, so we're moving a few more things today. We've just removed the dinner table and we've got some boxes there. It's all looking quite bare and also cluttered. It's driving me crazy. Just had the real estate through. Hopefully, so it's November 6th today. We're hoping to have all the works finished on the house by November 30 and be out of the house by December 8th. Oh my god, it's crazy.
All loaded up. Back of the ute, chockers, back seat.
Don't think we're going to store the dog, but he's in there. Hey, Judy boy. Huh?
Well, that's another ute load. Hopefully we can get it all in here. It's a start. More to go.
Okay, so shit's getting real. We sent off the papers today, so that's all approved. We packed more stuff over the weekend. We've got 16 days to go. Nerves are kicking in, excitement's kicking in. Marcus is just about finished work. The paint has been, the stumping's done. It's all very exciting and nerve-wracking. Oh my god, we're sleeping on the floor. Yeah, we're living out of just containers of stuff that we need, just the essential stuff. So anything we don't need is pretty much packed in our shipping container. Yeah, changing addresses, the lease is signed. So exciting. Oh my god, I can't believe we're making this happen. Yay.
Mate, what are you up to?
Walking around in the park.
Where's your pool? Where are we? Still at home? Yeah, we haven't left yet, have we? Do you reckon it's very long?
Hello.
What do we got?
There you go.
No, no, just chilling in the backyard.
Getting the last minute workout of the old blow up pool before we throw it in the bin, I think. So,
Join a brewski.
yeah, I've got more water. Send some strawberry. It's cold.
A few more things to do yet.
Come
Thanks,
on,
Laura.
come in. Come in.
I'm just quite relaxed here, thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a few things to do.
By this weekend, we've got to have the house.
We'd like to.
Because we're going to go up to Marley's 16th.
Yeah,
And when we get back, we've got 2 days
get out.
to get out. So,
That's freezing. No, don't, Nate. Don't even think about it.
yes, yeah, we've got 4 days serious packing.
Yeah.
Majority of the work is done. Stumping's completed. Paint is 3/4 of the way through. Back window turns up on the 8th.
We have to be out.
Yeah, the cleaners are coming the 8th. Hand the keys in on the 8th.
Cleaners are coming on the night.
Oh, the 9th. Oh, that's not so bad. Yeah,
Yeah.
all happening. Cleaners coming on the 9th.
Yeah, I was stressing my mind off scrubbing every space that we cleared out, and I'm like, this is going to take forever.
Crazy.
Because we've still got Nate at home, and I need to play with him and hang out with him, and so we just put the end of lease type clean, so they do everything from floors, carpets, windows, inside and out, oven, so it's taken a lot of stress off, which is nice. Just about finished my workshop, I think.
Yeah, tomorrow, hand the keys in.
Come on, guys. I want to
That's it. 3 years of Indian automotive in that shed.
Yeah. And I've got one treatment tomorrow in Muscle Point.
Yes. Last
And
treatment.
that'll be
I'm
it.
going to go get some toys.
Close up the doors on both businesses tomorrow. Move out next week.
Yeah.
Nervous, excited.
I'm excited. I'm nervous, but I'm mostly excited.
Yeah.
Mostly excited. I can't wait. Mix everything. Won't be,
No, even Jetty Boy likes a splash in the pool.
Look at that.
What have we got temperature-wise today, dear? I'll give you a quick walk around. Just get me hat there. So, last few months have been busy. Painted the shed, the gate, stairs, cleared all the decking off. Oh. Had all the stumps replaced on the house. New eave on the back door. Cut all the hedge because it was overgrown. Gravelled the side run here. What else have we done out the front here? Oh, a bit more painting. Got all the balustrade done. Window, weatherboards, eaves, fascia. Starting to look $1,000,000. Front doors all painted. Frosted glasses in. Should have done this a long time ago. All down this side's painted. Front of the shed's painted. Still waiting on bedroom window. Nice cubby house is gone, trampoline's down. Slowly getting there.
Hey, Mum.
Hi! I'm just cleaning out the cupboard.
Say hello, Dad.
Hello.
Hello. Oh, I'm upside down. Hello. Jip's outside. He's a dog.
Alright.
Keep one hand here.
Yeah.
I'm getting taller every time.
But we're not keeping that tray thing in here.
I don't think so, no.
I agree.
Hi. I'm just down there. What? Huh?
Alright, so that's out.
No. We're just cleaning out the house and having stuff we want in the caravan.
Cupboard's bare.
Cool.
Oh, and you should actually see my bed.
Go on.
The bed's over here. My bed is. Woo. And this is, Dad just popped the new fan in. And so this is my bed. Have a look. Look. See? Oh, that's why I'm sleeping. And Mum and Dad's bed is just past that over here. Dad, could you please move? This is Mum and Dad's bed.
Hi!
Yeah.
Oh, and this is the toilet. Oh, and I have a bunk bed. I'll show you up the top. We have Snakes and Ladders in the finding game. I'll take you up.
Oh my god.
It.
Hello.
Where are you, Nate? What are we doing?
Going on a holiday, right? Not right now. Just going to Macquarie.
Yeah.
We're out of here.
And Jetty Boy's down there.
Dad, can I see?
Goodbye,
Can I
house.
see that?
Bye-bye.
Can I see? Ooh. No, you can't drive with one hand now. Hold on. I'll hold on to that, Dad.
Oh, it's okay, I've got it.
I can, but you always have to drive with
Bye.
that drive with two hands. I have to hold on to it.
Goodbye, house.